Where shall I start? Dan het jy ken nog maar kyk daar sê. We can put volume on, you can listen off with the device. It's not nice of me, but that's what it can do. You can, and you've got a two-way communication back. It records on the SD card, it records cloud. It's wonder, can you just send us on? I don't have to say. And then if you see somebody now, you can, on the other app, you've got a button and it will spray you with paper gas. Now I was a little bit naughty and I thought, why don't we get one of these blank guns? That thing on it. And even if you go, when you look at game, you can dart animals for distance. I mean, it's just now ideas, just to put a little bit of weight on the product.
Similar to wildlife.
Sorry, sir?
Similar to the wildlife cameras.
Yeah, wildlife cameras. I mean, and even like I said, now for cattle, you put it in the crowd to take the cattle. In your vehicle. What we do, I love my motorbike. I ride these adventure bikes and I put it on my helmet so my wife can see exactly where I'm riding. And the day when I took it away, why is the camera not on? You see, you get a good impact. Okay. I just want to see if I can.
There's something you could consider in terms of the image, really like what you call infrastructure monitoring. You could use not face recognition, I'm looking for the word now, so that if once there's movement, then the camera switches on. Or once it recognizes a person, then your camera goes on the record.
It does that. It's got motion detection. Yeah, there's actuator. But like I said, with that thing you can cut off your motor valve. It's all little, it's a cheap thing to watch your vehicle, and if somebody thinks it as well, just stop it. I don't know that.